Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create hyperlinks in Adobe Illustrator. I will show you both internal and external hyperlinks. So let's get started. So I have created this document consisting of 5 pages, as you can see over here, and I have turned off the facing pages. So if we turn on the facing pages, it will look something like this. So I'm going to, for now, turn off the facing pages, so this will be like this. Now I have created some basic buttons using text and basic shapes. Now I want to create hyperlinks so that whenever we click on this particular button, it will go to a specific location. So it is pretty easy to create hyperlinks. First of all, we need to go to Window, Interactive, and use the hyperlinks option. Now I'm going to convert this into a group, so right click, group. It is, you don't have to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want it as a group to be a hyperlink. So I have created a group first, then go to this option, hyperlink, here, new hyperlink. Now instead of URL, select page because we want to select a page. So again, there are some basic options, like if you want to show the rectangle like this, but in this case I don't want to show the rectangle, so invisible rectangle. So okay, again I'm going to create a group, create new, page 2, okay, group, new, this is page 3, okay, no, this was page 3, I have to edit this maybe. So this is page 2, this is page 3, this is page 4. As you can see, we can edit the hyperlink. Even if we create it first, we can always edit the hyperlink group. So this is number 5, and on the next page I have created this button, home. So again I'm going to group. Now I'm going to connect this to page 1. Now I will copy this and paste it to each of the, show you, copy and paste in place. Similarly, paste in place, paste in place. Now once you create all the links, now again I'm going to create one external link. So let's say I will write down, let's say I want Instagram link. You can always, let me see, you can always import logos. So this logo here, and this is going to be our external link, so URL. Now you can type whatever link that you want, instagram.com, and your profile address, you can copy paste it. So we have created hyperlink. So how to export this? Go to File, Export, and choose the option Adobe PDF Interactive. If you select this one, Adobe PDF Print, it won't work, so make sure that you select Adobe PDF Interactive. So I'm going to name it to, let's say, 2, and save. We have all the basic option over here. If you want specific pages, we can select, like, let's say I want 1, 3, and 5, but in this case I want all the pages. So pages and spreads are basically similar things. And if you want to add security, you can go to security and add password. But remember one thing, if you forget the password over here, you cannot access your document. So make sure that if you are using security, make sure to remember the password. So I'm going to press export. It will ask you just click OK about the color mode. Now this is the document that we just created. As you can see, I will zoom out a little bit. So as you can see, if I hover, you can see the link. So click page 2, again home, it will take us to page 1, page 3, home, page 4, zoom it a little bit more, zoom out, page 4, home, page 5, home. So these are the internal links. So what about the external link? If I click over here, it will take us to the Instagram page, home page, because we haven't given any specific profile link. So you can get it easily from your profile. So this is how we can create hyperlinks in Adobe InDesign, and as you have seen, it is pretty easy to create hyperlinks in InDesign. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.